Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 95 of Build the Iconic Ford Falcon XB GT, the 1/8 scale madmax car from our good old pals over at Hachette. Now, if you'd like to grab one of these yourself and build this along with me, head over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. You too can have this iconic car on your bench. So let's have a quick scoop through this week's magazine and see what we're up to, folks. Right, we got the rear wheel arches going on, so we're going to need our body shell from the last issue, folks. We got right and left wheel arches as well as the front air intake to go just in front of the windscreen, folks, okay? Shows the arches there, they're handed, 95C left and 95A is the right hand side, okay? So that's what we want. Shows you there how they line up with the body shell, nice and simple. Couple of DS2 screws going in to hold it in place. Same with the other side. Nice and simple. Pulls the arch nice and tight to the bodywork. And then we lay the air intake just across the front section there, like so. And then we secure that in with some DS2 screws as well. And this is what we're going to end up with at the end, folks. Nice sexy set of wheel arches and the air intake, okay? So that's the magazine done. So we'll put that to one side. We'll bring our parts out and the body shell and we'll start a bit of assembly for you. All right, let's bring the body shell in. Let's grab a cloth just to protect that roof panel. And we'll bring all of our stuff to the side. And then we can flip this over. Like that. There you go. Nice soft surface to rest it on this week. Right, let's grab a wheel arch. So we want the right hand side one. And they're marked just there, folks, okay? That's the right hand side. And that's going down in there like so, okay? Just like that. Is what it's telling me. Just check on the outside, the fitment. Yeah, that's good. Now you're going to have a slight gap, because don't forget we've got the rear valance to go on here, okay? And that will come along, and then it'll mate up underneath this raised edge just there, okay? So don't worry about it at this stage, that you might have a bad fit, because it's perfectly normal. Just pop my lid off my oil. Grab a screw. A little bit of oil on the end of her, like so. And we're going to put that first screw in. Tighten it all the way. Just check the fit at the front there and that the arch is sitting where you want it. Then we can grab the second screw and do the same again. Run that round the thread. And that's that one done. Give it the wiggle test. And that's what you're looking like with the arch in place, okay? So we'll do the same now on the other side. Grab that. And that's just dropped straight in. Lovely. Love it when the plan comes together. Grab a bit of oil. And do the same again. Just give that a check, just to make sure that that's gone in. Nice deft bit of oil there. And then we'll do the same right down the back there. Like so. So that's that in situ. Okay, just check our work. And there's the other wheel arch. Okay. We've now got this going in, which is the front air intake. And that's going up over here. Okay. Just like so. We'll grab a screw. Just like that. Grab a little bit of oil. And we'll drop that in place. Right up over there. Like that. Grab the next one. And pop that in there. Let's double check they're all tight. Like so. And then we can spin her around the correct way. And there you go. That's that panel all neatly in place now. It's going to have a raised lip each side, because don't forget we got the front wings to go in on, or fenders if you're in America. So we got them to go on yet. So that's what we've got at the end of this issue, folks. We got our body shell there now with the rear wheel arches in place and the front air intake in place as well, folks. So don't forget, if you'd like to grab one of these yourself and build this along with me, pop over to the Hachette website. There's a clickable link in the description below. And you too can be building this. Also, to help me out and keep the channel alive, if you can remember to like, share, hype and subscribe, really boosts the video, grows the channel, keeps it going nicely, and I'll be immensely grateful. Thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Till then, stay safe and well. Goodbye for now.